Hey, look at this. The tickets for the fests are up.
I'll have to take a rain check on that.
No. We had this planned out, man. Come on.
And I'm really sorry about that. But I invested that money on this IPO.
You invest in IPOs?
Yeah, everybody does.
Well, I've read all about it, but every time I think of investing, I just get the jitters. But maybe I'll start with the next one. Be my financial guru. Tell me some of the things I should look out for.
I'm honored. So here you go. Know the intention of the company behind raising the funds. Before investing, understand how the company plans to use the funds. If the intention is only to repay debts, the IPO may not be an attractive investment. However, if the company plans to invest the fund in both repaying their debt and expanding their business, it might be something you would want to consider. For this, you should read the prospectus of the company.
Do not fall for big names. Instead, understand the business of the company well. It is a good practice to do a SWOT analysis to study the continued opportunity of the company in the market in the future. If the business is unclear, or if the study fails to show you the company's growing capacity to capture market share in the future, you might want to stay away. Check important financials and ratios of the issuer company. Before investing, you should study the year-on-year financials of the company. Other than their revenue, you should also read their financial reports for financial aspects such as net worth, profit after tax, total assets, and borrowings. The financial report will also provide you with an idea of the important ratios such as PE ratio, RONW, ROC, ROE, and debt to equity ratio. The performance of the IPO and the market trend are closely linked. The market trend lies on several major factors and its performance may affect the IPO. However, these factors only follow the movement of the stock market. They don't lead it.
Last but not the least, do your own research. Do not follow anyone blindly, not even your guru, while investing in the market.
Not even your guru.
No. For more such videos, subscribe to ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.